Welcome to the new episode of HTML Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the special characters. So, the certain special characters, if we want to use, then we have to remember its entity name. Let's say the consecutive multiple space if you want to add to your content. So you have to use the entity name is ampersand, which is the and symbol, ampersand nbsp semicolon. Then if suppose if you want to use less than symbol or the greater than symbol, so the entity name is ampersand lt semicolon and ampersand gt semicolon. So similarly we have the symbol is ampersand only, double quotes, single quotes, then the symbol of cent, pound, yen, euro, copyright, registered trademark, and inverted exclamation mark as well. So let's see the few symbols I'll show you how to use in HTML document. So this is the simple document I have created, and in which I have add the few paragraph line, and this is the output. I have not used any specific symbol, so now I'm going to use that symbol. Let's say instead of the round bracket, if suppose I want to use the less than, I mean the angular brackets, so we consider it as less than and greater than symbol. So without using any entity name, I'll show you, if I'll write the symbol in the notepad, what will be the output. See, so I have opened the uh, output. So you won't get the result. So the tag I have inserted the less than and greater than symbol, the text within text. So you can see the text within text, there's no symbol, right? So instead of that, let's say I'm going to use ampersand gt semicolon, and this side ampersand lt semicolon. Here I will use gt and here I will use lt. Right, so now you can get the symbol, right, both the way. Suppose if I want to add the multiple space after this HTML, so I will add the multiple space, I'll save it and refresh it, but you won't get the space, you will get only the one space. So that's the mm, issue. So if suppose if you want to use the multiple space, you have to use the entity name. It will gives you the single space only, right? HTML result. So for the multiple space, you have to use ampersand NBSP and semicolon. My ampersand key is not working. Okay, ampersand NBSP. So this is single space. If suppose I want to add 5 space, so I will copy it 5 times and let's see the result. So now you can see there is a 5 consecutive space, right? You'll get as the output. So this is the use of the entity name and the special character. So you can use any specific entity name to uh, add that particular symbol in your uh, web page. Okay, so this is the exclamatory symbol. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.